Even a gas truck can beat him.
I'm gonna find another decent pickup and we're gonna drag your ass again.
What's the setup on the truck? Did I just outrun 11.6?
Yeah, man. It's basically it's pixie dust and unicorn piss, bro. It's a coyote. All you need to do is beat an F-150, no pressure.
I think this is gonna go.
I think it's gonna go pretty well. I mean, it's a truck, so it can't be that bad, right?
The curse continues. Anthony cannot beat a truck, even with a twin turbo.
Even a gas truck can beat him.
Got me. It was close at the end though. I'm like, dude, I almost had him.
I was like, oh shit. What?
Dude, I was looking for the light too. I was like, because I was right there with you. I'm like, I was like looking, I'm like, the left leg. I'm like, no!
I was like, yeah, fuck yeah.
So thanks for being part of the video, guys. That was fucking awesome.
Thanks, man.
That was
Appreciate
awesome,
Fun,
man.
Yeah, for sure.
You're a good sport too. You're
Always.
a good sport. You're a good sport.
I lose almost all my races, so I have to be.